Hi the mass lovers, let's make this delicious grinded water yam porridge, popularly known as Ikokoo in my dialect. I'm sure you will like it after watching this video. For this recipe, you'll be needing vegetable, already peeled water yam, onions, salt and seasoning cubes, dried fish, okpaka, red oil and pepper. To begin, I start by grinding my water yam as seen on the screen. You can make use of blender if you want. This is what the water yam looks like after grinding. Add some water into a pot and go in with your seasoning cubes, salt, onions, pepper and oil. Cover that and allow to boil. Once it starts boiling, scoop in your grinded water yam into the pot. Cover and allow to cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, stir and add in your okpaka and dried fish. You can actually make use of any dried fish of your choice. Always stir gently to avoid the food getting burnt. Go ahead and add your vegetables. Stir and take off the heat because you wouldn't like your vegetable to be overcooked. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video, share, and lastly, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Our grinded water yam porridge is ready. This is one of the food I can eat every day without getting tired because it tastes so delicious. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this food and what is it called in your dialect. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.